Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix private DNS not working problem on any Android phone. Follow these simple steps to easily fix the error. First of all, go to your Android phone settings and tap on connections. And here tap on more connection settings. And tap on private DNS. And here, if you see it's not working perfectly, or if you select private DNS provider hostname and you are not unable to add here your private custom DNS name server, and if this save option is not working, then all you have to need to solve this error here under private DNS you have to select off. So use your network's default DNS. Once you selected here off, and then tap on save. Once you successfully turn off private DNS, now you have to restart your Android phone. So give a simple restart and then go ahead and relaunch your settings, and again go to your connections and go to more connection settings, and here tap on private DNS, and then you will be able to easily add your private DNS without any error or problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.